experience as a Diploma in Arts Management student has been nothing short of great. I have been given the opportunity to learn visual art, performing arts, and literary arts. I've been given the opportunity to express myself fully in the arts industry.
We get a lot of opportunities to go to museums and other art venues, and we also get a mix of practical and written work in order to expand how we answer and how we observe and learning how the real arts managers work.
When I was working on an exhibition, one of the artwork actually fell. So we had to troubleshoot, because of my prior knowledge in school, right? How the visual art troubleshooting, the installing works. We managed to successfully install the artwork, which was great.
As an alumni in the Diploma in Arts Management from NAFA, I get to experience a lot, especially coming from an international student background. I get to experience plenty of new skills, from lighting, sound for theater and events, to even visual arts like curating for galleries. Now I'm working with School of Music as a technical officer in NAFA as well. I get to apply what I learned from Diploma in Arts Management.